What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps restarting issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on battery. Now in battery tap on additional features and then tap on schedule power on or off option. Now if you have enabled the power on time and power off time, then your phone will be restarted on the set time. So turn off these two buttons and then tap on this icon on the top right corner to save changes. And after that the auto restarting issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then check for the software updates. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now here tap on the software version and then it will automatically check for the available update. So if you have any update available, then update the phone to the latest version and after that your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps restarting issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.